इंट्रोडक्शन देना ना पहले।
Hi, uh, welcome to this interview and thank you for accepting the request. And before starting the interview, I would like to tell you that this interview is basically for a software engineering project associated with IIT BS degree that I'm currently pursuing. And basically, we are trying to make an app that is related to uh, on the based on the domain of sports club. So we wanted to address issues that are faced by people like you, and address the pain points and make an app which is actually feasible for the users. So before we start, can you give us a brief introduction of yourself?
Hi, my name is Dipanshi. I like to volunteer for the sports activity coach every weekend. So I go to different places and try to volunteer over there for the different type of sports.
Sure. Okay. So there's just four or five questions that I'm going to ask, and please feel free to give. There's no just specific answer. You can just answer based on your own experience. So first, because you volunteer as a coach, what is the most time-consuming part of your weekly routine that has nothing to do with the actual coaching?
So basically, I spend a lot of time just scheduling the messages and sending those on the WhatsApp by coordinating with the parents or the members. Like, I have to see if the session gets cancelled. I have to message everyone individually that the session has been cancelled. Or I have to create an Excel sheet also to write everything down, how many sessions I have taken, how many got cancelled at the last moment. And it takes a lot of time, which is not my forte to do.
Okay.
And moreover, I would say coordinating with parents and explaining them why the reason why everything got rescheduled or cancelled takes a lot of time.
Okay. So if you could so tell me about the last time you experienced a major scheduling conflict or miscommunication.
Okay, so this happened last week only when the ground was already occupied by the football team. The coach did not actually the management did not tell that the uh, club would be or the field would be occupied. And then afterwards we saw my 15 students were standing over there and they were really frustrated that the ground is occupied and they cannot use that. It is because the authority did not inform, they did not know that we have a planned session over there. And moreover, it was all on the papers, which could get missed. So actually, there is no clarity, and we are actually very poor visibility of schedule, conflict of resources, and inefficient facility of booking. So it creates a lot of problem for us. Now a lot of time of those 15 students is also wasted.
That must be very frustrating. So
True.
there's if you could change just one thing about how the club operates overnight, what it would be and why.
Honestly, I would love to remove that messaging on the WhatsApp regarding the scheduling, rescheduling, cancellation of the classes. It is very frustrating and exhausting. Like, there is, like, if a class got cancelled 4 days back, scrolling those messages up creates like a lot of time. Even I forget that thing and I reach to the ground and then I remember, oh, I got a message 3 days back. So there should be a more scheduled way and a more automated way so that we can check the schedule rather than just scrolling on the WhatsApp or sending the messages to the parents or the authorities.
Of course, because it kind of is a hassle managing other things as well, and then you have to check on messages and everything and keep in track with everything. Of course, it's really frustrating.
Yes, sometimes it gets skipped also.
And like, how? So this is my last question. And like, how does the
Mhm.
current state of the club affects your willingness to volunteer or participate in the long run, given that you have said how hard it is to communicate and schedule things?
So I love being a sports coach. I love teaching students. But the main thing is all the time I have to ping on the messages on the WhatsApp. I have to spend time more on the managing part rather than the teaching part. And I would prefer to do my job more efficiently rather than being in the management thing, which creates a lot of hustle. If the things get automated, I would be happy to contribute. But here, I get so burnout by doing all the management work, like sending messages, looking at the schedule, talking to the management regarding the ground availability, which is always not clear because something is written on the paper, few things are in the mind, and this also skip. So yes, I would more want that thing to be automated so that I can work and contribute for those students.